Most successful affiliate programs don't start with hundreds of affiliates. They start with 5, 10, or maybe 15 people who genuinely believe in the product. And those first few affiliates often generate more revenue than the next 100 combined. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recruit your first 10 affiliates using Fluent Affiliate. We'll build the foundation, find the right people, create a smooth onboarding process, and make sure new affiliates know exactly how to start promoting your business. And we're starting where most people skip, the registration flow. Before you reach out to creators, customers, agencies, or newsletter owners, your affiliate program needs to look trustworthy enough to join. If the sign-up experience feels confusing or incomplete, you're going to lose great affiliates before they even apply. Thankfully, setting this up in Fluent Affiliate is pretty straightforward. Just head over to the settings area and open the registration settings. Right away, you'll find a set of pre-built registration fields that help you get your affiliate program up and running quickly. But you're not locked into the default setup. You can enable or disable fields, rename labels, and customize the form based on the information you actually want to collect from applicants. If you're launching your first WordPress affiliate program, don't overcomplicate this. And in most cases, you can simply keep the defaults, publish the registration page, and start recruiting affiliates immediately. And if you want a bit more control, you can enable admin approval, so every new affiliate gets reviewed before they're accepted. This matters because your first 10 affiliates should be curated. You want people who match your audience, not coupon spam or random traffic. I'll walk you through the complete process later in the video. Now, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: communication. One of the fastest ways to lose affiliate momentum is silence. If someone applies and hears nothing for 3 days, they're already losing interest. That's why staying in touch with them matters. Fluent Affiliate makes it hassle-free. Whenever someone submits an affiliate application through Fluent Affiliate, the system automatically keeps both sides informed. You receive a notification, the applicant receives confirmation that their application has been received. Once they're approved, another email lets them know they're ready to get started. And this creates a much more professional experience without adding extra work to your plate. The best part? You can customize these emails however you want according to your requirements. Now that the system is ready, let's talk about finding the first 10 affiliates. The good news is, your first affiliates are probably already closer than you think. Start with 5 groups: happy customers, creators in niche, agencies, freelancers, and strategic partners. A happy customer can share a real experience. A creator can teach your product to an audience. An agency can recommend it to clients. A freelancer can suggest it during projects. And a strategic partner can promote it alongside a complimentary offer. If your business is completely new, don't worry. Shortlist people who already serve the audience you want to reach. You're not looking for the biggest names first. You're looking for people with trust. Create a simple list of 20 or 30 potential affiliates. Use columns like name, audience, promotional channel, relationship, and status. If you're thinking why more than 10, let me clear it. Because not everyone will say yes, and not everyone who says yes will become active. That's why we start with a larger pool and narrow it down to the best partners. And when you reach out to potential affiliates, don't send a cold, generic pitch. Send a personalized invitation and direct them to registration page. That keeps the process organized. Everyone applies through the same form, and every applicant goes into the same approval flow. So now you've found potential affiliates and sent them to your registration page. What happens next? The affiliate lands on your registration page, enters their details, answers your qualifying questions, and submits the application. On your side, the application appears in pending mode inside Fluent Affiliate. From there, you can review profile and overall fit before approving or declining the request. Once approved, the affiliate gets access to their dedicated affiliate portal. This is where activation starts. They can log in, generate their referral link, view their visits and referrals, track commissions, and check payout details from one place. And instead of managing all of this through spreadsheets, emails, or separate tools, you can control the full affiliate workflow directly inside Fluent Affiliate without switching tabs. And that's the secret. Successful affiliate programs aren't built by simply installing software. They're built by creating a process that attracts the right people, guides them through onboarding, and helps them start generating referrals as quickly as possible. And Fluent Affiliate gives you everything you need to manage that entire workflow directly inside WordPress. If you're planning to launch your own affiliate program, check out Fluent Affiliate and start building your affiliate recruitment system today. And if you'd like more practical strategies for growing your WordPress business, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.